Okay, guys, how are you doing today? Super excited. You're welcome to another session today. Crypto session today. How are you doing? Let's put in some energy in this session right now. Let's go. What's up? What's up? Where are you joining from today? How are you doing? Let's talk crypto today. And if you missed last week, you want to go watch it. You want to go watch it if you missed last week. Ba-dam, ba-dam, ba-bam, bam, 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 bam. Bam, 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 bam. Let's go, let's go. What's up with you? How are you doing today? You're welcome to a crypto update session today, 4th of August 2022. And I'm really excited about the information we're going to be dishing out today. And if this is your first time, you want to comment that this is your first time. Let's grow, let's go, let's go. Let's go. Tell me where you're joining from. Let's go. Let's go. Tell me where you're joining from. Come on. Oh. Bada, 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 bada. What can you see today? What is happening? You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome to today's session. Type in where you're joining from today. Let's share. I'm sharing. I'm going to be sharing with you some deep stuff today and what I expect in the market for the cryptocurrency market. If this is your first time, where are you joining from? Let's know. Type in where you're joining from. Let's discuss, let's discuss, let's discuss. Pa, 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 pa. You're welcome. Thank you so much. You're welcome to the live update on cryptocurrency. My name is Mayo Wowolabi, and I'm really excited to join you guys today. It's going to be a great time because we're going to be doing so much around the cryptocurrency market as usual. And if there's anything I want you guys to do, as usual, you want to click on the like button and make sure you share this video, help others to see it, and let others grow. Okay, so what has been happening in the cryptocurrency space. Come on, guys, let me know if you guys can hear me. Let me know if you guys can hear me. Fantastic. Great. So a lot has been happening. A lot has been happening. So let's deal with the happenings. Like I do tell you, the first thing you want to know is to have an update on what the market is doing and how the market is reacting. Okay, I strongly feel that it's only the leverage traders right now that are making money because they can sell against the market. They can take sell positions, but what does it take for us as smart investors to be able to position ourselves? Like I told you guys last week, I've not added to my portfolio. I've been I've been waiting. I'm going to wait because all the indices is telling us that the market has more room down. Okay, last week we're around 1 million, 1 trillion. As of today, again, we are still around 1 trillion. So the market has not really changed in terms of market cap, as in new inflows to increase the market cap. However, a lot of smart investors has been playing around the new projects. And for me, I don't recommend new projects when the bull run is not on. See, when the bull run is not on, when you put in your money in projects you don't believe in, I tell you, it will take you 5 years before you're going to recoup your money, like 3 to 5 years. But when you buy a project, even when the market is down and you put your money in as much that you believe strongly in the project, in the use case, in the team, the founder, and all of that, you can actually hold through the asset. You can actually hold on to the asset because you strongly believe that it's going to deliver. So right now, a lot of crypto traders, crypto enthusiasts, they've actually slowed down in their broadcasting, sending messages because they don't know where the market is going next. Okay. But me, as an experienced person in the financial market, what is coming in is the market will crash. Okay, and that is very good for some of us that are leverage traders. It allows us to sell uh majority the major pairs, the major crypto assets, so that we can profit from it while the market is going down. Okay, I've given you my projection once again. I'm looking at Bitcoin coming below 9,000. My purchasing, my new inflow will be coming in around 7,000. Now, a lot of people don't want to hear that. The same way 2019, I was telling people that it was going to crash to 3,000. People did not believe. I told them that it's going to crash below 4,000. The people did not believe. Now, it didn't happen in December. It didn't happen in January. It didn't happen in March in 2019. But in 2020, just 3 months into the first quarter, the market dropped to that price. And guys, you must understand that market always repeats itself. Market always repeats itself. So it means that if I get one right, I can do others. So it's all about you, because repetition is the master, is the mother of mastery. So it means that if I can get a certain pattern, a certain event right, and I realize that this event, whenever it happens, the market gives profit, you just need to stick to it. There is nothing, there is nothing mysterious about the forex market or about the financial market or about the crypto market. It is just about you understanding some indices that makes things move the way it should be. Okay, so I'm really excited about today, and I want you to be calm at your investment. That's what I told you guys last week, because I strongly still feel that the cryptocurrency market need to crash some more, and a lot of indices is telling us that it's still going to crash some more. Okay, ETF loud and clear. Okay, ET Forex says, sir, can you explain leverage trading? So, leverage trading is the same way you trade Forex, where you have stop loss, you have take profit, and the rest. Okay, so the same way when it comes to cryptocurrency, there are assets, not all assets, there are assets that are perpetual assets, that are leverage assets, that can allow you to trade both sell and both buy in the cryptocurrency market. For example, I'm currently selling Ethereum currently. I'm already selling Ethereum. As at yesterday, I've done 165% on that sell. Okay, so selling is normal in the cryptocurrency space, especially if you're a leverage trader. And there are platforms you can use. You can use Binance. You can use Binance. You can use KuCoin to trade um, leverage trading. So what do you do? I have a training on it. Go to my YouTube channel and put in cryptocurrency leverage. Okay, you will see it. So right now, I'm really, really expecting some more some more moves downwards. And between last week and now, Coinbase is in deep shitcoin, and so is the SEC. So these people have opened up their system up for assets they are not meant to be listing on their platform. And whenever you joke with business, especially when it is investment, you are exposing yourself to the other side of or to the other side of the business. Okay, so for me, I strongly feel that this is becoming a real case for Coinbase, and if this happens, it's going to be affecting a lot of US investors that have their money in Coinbase, because Coinbase is actually what they are where they have most of their money. So you have to be very, very intentional, okay, so that you can win. So that you can win if you really want to win in this space. So I recommend that you 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 slow down in investing right now. Okay, you slow down in investing right now, because you don't want to invest where there is no clarity in the market. Like I told you earlier, the market is not clear, and if it is not clear, don't force it. Okay, don't force it, which is what a lot of people do. Whenever it's not clear, don't touch it. So right now, I'm not buying, I'm not adding to my portfolio right now. So Coinbase, I feel Coinbase will go in, you know, I feel Coinbase will go into a real deep shit for so many reasons that is attached and that is obvious right now. So just stay away right now. Except, okay, except you're a leverage trader who can buy and sell together. Okay. Now another deep mess which I want us to talk about is the Treasury Secretary Yellen. He says that the U.S. economy is not in recession. So, like I told us last week, these people are yet to accept that there is recession. Loan pay school fees loan has increased by 1,000%. Groceries and a lot of stores have increased, no, like drastically. So why are you telling us why? So they are yet to agree and accept that the recession is here. They're telling a lot of points. Look at what they're saying here. We have a very strong labor market. When you're creating almost 400,000 jobs in a month, that is not recession. Creating jobs is not the same thing with money. We're talking about money. And go and check, guys, wherever there is a high supply or a high print of money, there is bound to be inflation. So creating jobs can't fix the upcoming recession. The inflation need to be, because people will get more job, people will not, some companies will not be able to pay, and they will lay off more. They will lay off more staffs. A lot of the cryptocurrency companies are already laying off their staffs. They're already laying off their staffs, and it's not an healthy one for the cryptocurrency space. Now the real estate is going to be hit. The recession is going to also hit the real estate space. And all of this is because of the fresh funds that was printed about 2 years ago during COVID and after COVID. Okay, and whenever such money is being pumped, you need to understand that we will go through inflation. And when we go through inflation, recession will come in, and a lot of people will be making money. And one of the ways to make money during or after recession is to be able to have enough cash flow to be able to invest in a lot of assets that will be happening, that will be available. So guys, position yourself. For me, I strongly feel that the the cryptocurrency market has more room to go down, like 50% more. Yeah, like 50% more. Like 50% more. I'm expecting Bitcoin. This is where I'm expecting Bitcoin to come to. Below 9,000, 8,000, 7,000. That's why I'm going to be buying Bitcoin. And I explained to you the other time, I said there is tendency for Bitcoin to come up back to 30,000 before going to 7,000. But all the social indices, all the indices is pointing towards us expecting recession. And you all need to know that the cryptocurrency space have never gone through recession before. Okay? The cryptocurrency space have never gone through recession before. So somebody is saying, please, sir, can you explain the impact of US recession on cryptocurrency space and financial market? Yeah, there won't be money. People will be selling their assets. People that bought Bitcoin at 30,000, 40,000, 60,000, they will not have option than to sell. Whenever there's recession, people sell things. You know, people sell things. People want to create a stability. People want to create, people want to find ways of, okay, what can I sell that I can use to keep my body and soul together. Okay, and when there's recession, there is not going to be new funds to go into the market, Samuel. And when there's no fresh fund to go into the market, it means that we now have an issue. Okay, people will not be able to afford their houses, their rents, their feeding, and all of that. Then there will be real thick issues. So that is how the recession impact the cryptocurrency market, but it's also part of the market. The only one that will become volatile, that is not always deeply affected, is the forex market. However, there will be a lot of volatility during that session. So the last 2008 recession lasted for about a year, 6 months. As a matter of fact, recovery took about 6 years. 6 years. So if you go and check US 30, all of NASDAQ, all of them right now, they are going through a lot. And that will also impact the cryptocurrency market. Okay, so having established this right now, what are the assets that I'm looking at? When am I looking at to buy them? Because you also need to know. Fantastic. You're welcome. You're welcome, my brother. So for me, I expect Bitcoin to come to anything below 9,000. Okay, anything below 9,000, we're going to be doing business. Currently, I'm selling Ethereum. I have a flip zone there, and I'm expecting Ethereum to come to 300. I know you don't like that price, okay? I know. I don't like it either, but this is what will happen. This is what will happen. The market need to come to below 300 before we begin to talk about putting in money that we're going to be holding for the next 3 to 10 years. Like, for example, if you come to 300, the market will never come back to 300 again. The same way you can't see Bitcoin at 1,000 again. The same way you can't see Bitcoin at 3,000 again. Okay, the same way you can't see Bitcoin at $100 again. So when this asset Ethereum USDT comes to 3,300, it will never come there again. That means that it will go from 300 and it's going to be going as far as $10,000, $25,000. Then we have another retracement back to 9,000, 10,000, 8,000. This must happen because it will make fresh money, fresh inflows come into the market. And with that, you're good to go. So currently, I'm on a sell position. I'm using this flip zone. I'm on a sell position. Okay, I just risked some small, some fraction of my money, and I'm already in the sell position. As of yesterday, I was over 165 to 170% profit. Okay, on my risk, not on my account. On my risk. So that means if I risk $10, I've made $165. No, sorry. I have made $26. That is about 16%. Okay. I'm sorry, 165%. Okay, so good. So I'm expecting this guy to dip some more, to 13,700. Then I will exit the market. Then we'll talk about it coming deeper to below 300. And I could just take some partials. Okay, I could just take some partials, and leave the rest. Okay, take some partials and leave the rest. So Bitcoin is currently struggling around that 2,400 that I got to. Okay, I'm not seeing the momentum for retracement. So I think that the market could come to 20,000, then from there go to 30,000, and from 30,000 it can go deeper to 14, sorry, 14, 14, 14, because this does not look like an impulse the same way this. So if this is going to be the move, it means that it's going to really drop. But right now, it doesn't look like the move that will break this higher low. So this could just bounce off on this 2,100, okay, 21,000, sorry. Then from there, we can pick up a buy. Okay, so those are my two views on Bitcoin and on Ethereum. What asset do you guys want me to talk about today? What asset? What asset you guys want me to talk about? Tell me, what's the latest asset you bought? Another thing you can do this time is to do what is called dollar cost average. Okay. ETF said that he bought Ethereum. Okay, I should analyze Ethereum or you bought Ethereum. Which one? I should analyze Ethereum or you bought Ethereum. Which one? Okay, sir, the analysis. So this is our impulse. Okay. For a lot of you that know Forex, this is your break of structure. That means the market needs to drop below. So if you're a fit trader, if you join this to this, this is a good place to sell. But as a supply and demand trader, we don't sell outside structure. So the only place we can sell is anything below 350. So what can happen here? The market can go up and come back. Okay? The market can go up and come back. But as an ITC person, this is the only place to sell, buy. Anything below 350, 300. That's where I'm buying from. It's going to take time. It could happen the next 3 months or 6 months. But see, one of the things about the cryptocurrency space is when to buy and the rate you are buying. Okay? Some impatient people will naturally want to buy. They will just keep buying, just keep buying. For me, I think you have to also go in at the right time. Yeah, apart from the right price, you have to also go in at the right price. Okay, so I feel this guy will drop more to about 350, below 350, then we can look out for that buy. We're good. And if you want to sell, if the market retraces back to this rally base drop, so if the market doesn't come here, the market will come here. So I'm going to be selling from here. If the market comes here, I will sell from here and I will buy from here. So how come I was able to get the daily zone? The sell. I used the flip zone. There's what is called flip zone in trading. In supply and demand, this is your flip zone. So I traded the flip zone there. Okay, this is a flip zone. Okay, this is a flip zone. That's it. So this is a flip zone sell. This is another flip zone. Okay, so I strongly feel that will be. Is that clear? ETF Forex. So if you are selling, you have to sell at the other part. If you are buying, you have to buy at the other part. Dollar cost average means that you are putting your money in an asset. You believe in the project and you are buying it in as much that is going down. That's what is called dollar cost average. You are putting in a proportion of your money every single month. So that's what is called dollar cost average. That's what is called dollar cost average. Okay? Okay, guys. I hope I've been able to add some value to you guys today. Have I been able to add some value to you today? Okay, so don't forget, the market needs to drop more. We need to see that happen. You know, somebody in our community was saying that he does not want to miss the movement. If you don't want to miss the movement, then you keep buying. You keep buying when it's low. Keep buying when it's low. Just keep buying when it's low. So we need to wait for the completion of the movement. Okay, fantastic. So that'll be all for today. I just wanted to come here and share my view. If you want to trade it as leverage, but it's better you do it as an investment so that you can buy when it is the right time and you're good to go. Okay, that's my time today. I look forward to your success. And I'll see you guys next week, Thursday, as we go through another amazing deep session in the cryptocurrency update with Maya Wowolabi. Thank you so much, Samuel, for joining ETF Forex. Thank you so much, guys. I'm really excited that you guys are gaining value. Thank you so much, Stewart Emmanuel. Thank you so much, guys. I'll talk to you guys soon. Peace out, guys.